Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson speaking with you here again today. We're going to be working with Windows Server 2008, but today we're doing a little bit different. We're going off track and going to be working with Active Directory inside Windows Server 2008 on VMware. Today the activity is locating objects with Active Directory users and computers. Our objective is to search for user and group objectives by using Active Directory and user components. Where was I? Users and computers, Before Active Directory grows too large, you need to experiment with the search feature in Active Directory, users and computers, so that you're comfortable finding objects. So, if necessary, you're supposed to log on to your account as administrator, which I already have. So we're going to go right here, click Start, go to Administrative Tools, and it pulls up the sidebar over here. We're going to click Active Directory, Users and Computers. So we're going to go into that, and it pulls up the Active Directory, Users and Computers. We're going to click the Find. Gotta see. Confused here for a second. 1 second. I'm lost. Alright, we're back. Had a little inconvenience there. So we're going to right click the domain node right here. We're going to click Find. And then it pulls up users, contacts, and groups. We're making sure that verify that users, contacts, and groups is selected, which it is on the domain node. So in the text box, make sure the domain is selected. You could click Find Now, but if you do, all users, contacts, and groups in the entire domain are displayed. You want to narrow down the choices first. So in the name text box, we're going to type in test. So in the name text box, we're going to go test. By specifying this name, all users, groups, and contacts starting with test are displayed. And then we're going to click over here. We're going to click Find Now. No items match because there's no one in there yet. Well, let's see here. We'll go entire directory. Find Now. I have not added anyone into this yet. So that's why, because usually you will get a sign, or you will, down here, by this time you get to this activity down here, it would show test user 1, type user, and then test group G, type group, and then test user 2, type user. It would show those down here as a test. It would go test user 1, test group G, test user 2, because those are all the people that would came up starting with test. See, if I were to just go like now, put this back to the W2K node and go Find Now, it's going to pull up everything, as you can see. Everything that's on here right now. It pulls it up. Now we can go entire directory and click Find Now. There's even more. It's pretty much like a phone book. And you can add in a description, like here it says members of this can access, yada yada yada. You can go, okay, this is the group, description, and this is the name of this, and go over there and click Find Now. But of course there's no one in there with that kind of name and description. But basically all this is a phone book for the find users, contacts, and groups. It's pretty set forward, pretty easy. So I hope in this video you guys learned a little small minor bit about Active Directory, users, and computers. It's just basically a phone book getting you used to how to search things before it gets too big, Active Directory, on your Windows Server 2008. Thank you for listening to another video of mine, and have a nice day. Bye.